There are engineers. See, the problem with most of us is we don't hear properly and we jump to a quick conclusion. I said chair, then you said this fellow will only talk of a chair. I was saying there is an object supported by 4 legs and it has got a seat.
Sofa.
It's a stool, it is a table. Now, I am trying this you are able to visualize it because it is a concrete concept. A concrete concept can be visualized. Whereas an abstract concept is difficult for visualization. For example, escape velocity. Escape velocity. How do you visualize it? It is quite difficult. Similarly, forget escape velocity. Huh? Sir?
11.9.
How do you visualize it? How do you visualize it? That he is telling because he has biarted. Otherwise, how do you visualize it? For example, you talk of a projectile. How do you visualize it? In the class, you always explain a projectile is a particle which when throws up takes a parabolic path. But you go to the board and this is how you show the projectile. Okay, what you are writing on the board, what is your explanation? It is a particle which when thrown up takes a parabolic path. Have you written a particle on the board? It is not a particle at all. Therefore, there are concepts which are very difficult for visualizing. Concrete concepts are those which can be visualized, which can be felt, which can be sensed, which can be visualized. Abstract concepts are very difficult. For example, this example looks very silly to you because you are all very big people. Like big data, you are big people. Gravitational force. What is this gravitational force? Because we have been hearing this word right from primary class. Now you tell this gravitational force to a child, ask it to visualize it. You see, what is gravitational force? You know, the earth pulls the objects and therefore you talk of it as a gravitational force. Now you tell this to the child, make it visualize, let us see. It is not easy. Therefore, concrete concepts are those which can be visualized. When you want to explain a concrete concept, what is the best method?
Demonstrate.
Show it. Show it. How do you show it? You can't bring light things. For example, rocket is a concrete concept. How do you show it? Ask the English teacher, madam, you are teaching Abdul Kalam. Go to Abdul Kalam's cemetery and please bring.
We took our students to Sriharikota.
Great, you are all great people, but we are not. Anyway, ask the students to bring. Can you do it? No, you can't do it. Therefore, what do you do? Right, you draw the picture on the board or show a picture. Or if you have got a model, bring it. Teaching apps, concrete concepts, the methods are, sometimes just an explanation will do, like what I did for a chair. Draw, picture, model, and if you are a great teacher like her, show the live things. I mean, it is not that it is impossible, but it is possible. But I would love to see her taking students every time for this exercise and then get the principal's permission for it.
We have been taking, sir, for the past 3 years.
So every month you go to Sriharikota?
Every year.
Every year, okay. That means you are going to show them once. Fine. Okay, break. So, abstract concept, concrete concept is that. Now, when you have a content, the first thing that you must do in any content is, you take a chapter, sir. Take a chapter. In that chapter, you know what you have got to teach, isn't it? In that chapter. You know what you have got to teach. First, list down the fact. Please do this exercise today for your own sake. I will not ask the homework teacher to do it. Anybody else can do it. Please take a chapter. You will really like the exercise. Take a small chapter, which you are going to teach in about 4 or 5 periods. Keep a book, still a textbook or your own notes. Write down fact. What are the facts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write down concepts. Concrete, abstract. Procedure is very easy. For example, solving problems is a procedure. Explaining the working principle is a procedure. Construction and details are procedures. Proving a theory is a procedure. These are all easy. But in your syllabus, please look at this. Write what facts are and write down the concept. The concepts, further break it up into abstract and concrete. Where you have got the concrete concept, when you are teaching it, see if you can locate something like a picture. In fact, today it is very easy. For example, most of the pictures are available in the internet. Take it on your pen drive, come and project it in the class. Come and project it, nothing wrong with it. So, concrete concept. When it is an abstract concept, this afternoon I will tell you how to look at the abstract concept and teach it. So what we did this forenoon is look at learning outcome. I have not still written the objectives, I will do it later. We have looked at the learning outcomes, program education objectives, program outcomes, course outcomes, learning outcome, and now we are trying to say how to look at the learning outcome. And with this we will close and then come back for lunch at what time? At 2? At 2 we will come back. For the first 5 minutes we will review what we did, and then let us really take a topic and spell out the objectives.
To attend this sort of program, we need to go to IDD23, right? And we need to spend a lot of amount and efforts, time, and so many things. And we are not in a position to do that. And to have this sort of program, we planned for 1 year. You may not be knowing. So the last 1 year, we tried to organize this sort of program, but we could not because of so many factors. Because all the faculty are not available, so we cannot have this sort of people any part of the year. So we thought this is the right time to have this program. And the level I have attended this program actually about 20 years back. The program which I attended that day and today, the program is entirely different because of this outcome-based education and all. Why I am telling this is, you please feel the importance of this program and please attend the program in time. I'm seeing people coming after half an hour or 1 hour even. So please make use of the program and be in time. We have been talking about the challenges we are facing with the students, right? And the people irregularities and all. Let's not be like them. Okay? Please do come at go.
No, let it be there. Let it be there.
ఇది చేశారా?
డయాలి తింటాను లేకపోయినా
Yes.
ప్లే అవుతుందా?